She emerges not to flee, but to lead the jaws away from her kin. The hyena lunges, jaws clamping down on loose, rubbery skin. Lifted effortlessly from the earth, the badger hangs suspended, seemingly helpless against such crushing power. To lose here is to condemn a bloodline to silence. Yet she twists inside her own skin, retreating once more to the fortress of the burrow. The siege continues. The predator charges the darkness of the entrance, unwilling to leave them in peace. She meets him head-on, a black and white fury erupting from the soil. She drives him back, then retreats, becoming the living gate to her home. The tactic changes. She stays low, teeth seeking the sensitive pads of the hyena's feet. The pain becomes too high a price for a meal. The giant retreats, defeated by a creature a fraction of its size. Deep in the cool dark, the mother curls around her young. They are safe. She is exhausted, but the fortress has held. He stops to tend to his mangled paws, licking the wounds that will serve as a lasting reminder of this mistake. Size is not the only measure of strength. Even the mightiest hunter must learn when to walk away. The savannah always respects those who refuse to bow.